At 92 years old, Joyce Zerger is defying expectations, walking without pain after years of struggling to stay on her feet. Not long ago, Joyce's knees were turning inward. The pain forced her off the golf course and onto a walker.
That was very depressing for me because I had been so used to being so active, did a lot of volunteer work as well as golfing.
Her balance was fading fast. Her family moved her into their home, but even that didn't feel like a long-term solution.
We were concerned about Joyce and her mobility. If she got to the point that she was unable to walk or transfer herself in and out of bed, we were going to have to place her in the nursing home, and that's something that we didn't want to do.
Then what seemed like a setback, a serious foot infection, turned out to be a blessing. Joyce was referred to Dr. J at the University of Kansas Health System.
I guess fate that the hospital referred us to Dr. J, for the wound healing, and he said, well, as soon as the wound is healed and your foot is good, then we'll assess your knees.
That assessment revealed something surprising. Joyce was a great candidate for robotic double knee replacement.
That was very scary to me to think I wouldn't make it even at my age. But Dr. J was so reassuring. He just made you feel like this was going to be okay.
2 surgeries later, the transformation was remarkable.
Oh, it was amazing because we had gone to a particular winery that we both really enjoy, and they were amazed at her transformation.
It was so amazing that I could stand up and walk like I used to.
For Joyce Zerger, 92 is just a number, and walking pain-free is her new normal. Her message to others: never give up.
I am very thankful that I had Dr. J, and we have recommended him to our family members and our friends.